Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have credentials and a backup. Now start updating Outlook. First, open Outlook, click File, then Account Settings. Once there, select the account you want to update and choose Change. Make sure the incoming and outgoing server fields match your provider's requirements. Update ports and encryption, SSL/TLS if needed. Save settings and test the connection. If prompts ask for a password, enter it carefully. This prevents authentication failures later. Now you'll edit detailed account settings. In the Change Account dialog, click More Settings and review advanced and outgoing server tabs. Adjust port numbers to common defaults like 993 for AMAP SSL or 465/587 for SMTP TLS. Select the correct encryption. Once set, use test account settings so Outlook attempts log on, send, and receive operations. Watch for specific error messages. If you must change account type from POP to AMAP, understand mailbox differences. Finish by saving all changes and restarting Outlook. Then run a send/receive cycle to confirm functionality. If messages fail, check the error text. Authentication issues mean wrong password or app-specific password, server errors mean wrong host/port, and certificate warnings indicate encryption mismatch. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to rule out blocking, then re-enable and add Outlook to allowed apps. If mailbox items disappeared, import your backup PSD to restore mail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.